Hello, my name is Elena Nutt. In today's lesson we'll make ganache with dark chocolate to make the surface of the cake even. Let's start. We need a food processor with a whisk. If you don't have a food processor, you can use a mixer. Some butter, silicone spatula, and some dark chocolate, 50 to 70% cocoa. The ratio of butter and chocolate is 1:1. First, we need to melt dark chocolate in the microwave or in a water bath. We use the first variant. You put chocolate into the microwave for 15 to 20 seconds. Then take it out and stir. Do the same till the chocolate melts completely. If you melt it in the microwave, you need to use a plastic bowl. If you do it in a water bath, you pour some water into the saucepan and put a metal bowl into it. Water shouldn't touch the bottom of the bowl. We've melted our chocolate in the microwave. While it reaches room temperature, cools a bit, we whip the butter. Butter should be at room temperature. Whip it at high speed. We whipped the butter, and it became white and lush. It became 2 or 3 times larger in volume. Don't turn off the mixer. Make the speed lower and pour the chocolate slowly. Before you add chocolate into the butter, check its temperature. It should have room temperature. If the chocolate is hot, whipped butter will melt and seat the bottom. If the chocolate is cold, you may have small pieces of it in your ganache. Make the speed higher and whip it till homogeneous paste. If you use a food processor, its whisk doesn't reach the walls and the bottom. That's why we mix everything with the silicone spatula and whip it again. We've finished whipping. We should get the homogeneous and lush paste like this. We finished making ganache with dark chocolate. You can make ganache with milk or white chocolate in the same way. The ratio is the same, but ganache with dark chocolate will be more stable. Thank you for your attention. See you soon.